Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix laptop lid open action missing from power options in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you try to search here the power plan at the bottom search bar, type power plan. And when you go with the best match and when you go with open to continue, and when you click on change power settings, and here and under the power options, you won't be able to see the power lead options here under the power options. Now, in order to fix such, we'll be performing a very basic step, and that is you need to proceed to your button search bar again, and here you need to type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, a system called command prompt, which is under the best match, you need just have to go with run as administrator to continue, and your user account control asks you to say yes. Proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the system as administrator. So here, you need to paste this command text. Just have to copy it under the description box below since I'll be pasting it there. Do a right click here, go with edit and go with paste and click on enter. Once you have the click on it, just have to close this window and restart your computer. The moment you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So there is a needed to restart your computer in order to make any changes on the command text that we have just pasted earlier at our command prompt, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.